Hello and welcome to Keepsales. In this video, we are going to be looking at stock alerts and product expires on Keepsales. Stock alerts are very essential for you as the retailer when using Keepsales. It has been built to keep you updated on the status of your product. The alerts feature alerts you, the user, on two main categories. One is low-level stocks, and then two is product expiring. Now, anytime your inventory gets to a point where it is almost out of stock or completely out of stock, the stock alert feature is there to alert you, the user, to restock. And also, anytime any of your products expire, the stock alert feature again is there to alert you on that also. Okay, so that is the theory for stock alerts. Now let's go to our software and locate stock alerts, which is alerts on our navigation bar. When you move your mouse on the alert, two options appear, a stock alert and then delivery alert. So we click on stock alerts. Okay, so we are taken to the stock checker page. Okay, and on there we see a list of items which are all indicated as either low stock levels or they are expiring. Okay, so on the same page, you can filter the results by clicking on the filter box to your right, and then in there, when you click on the filter, you see that you are able to filter by items which are only expiring or their stock levels are low, or you can decide to view the both. Okay, so currently we don't have any item which are expiring. And then when we click on stock which have low level quantities, when we filter the stock levels which are low, these are the results that are shown. Now when you look at the table to our right, there's a column indicated as quick product review. Now under that, we can view and resolve the issues regarding our stock. So when we click on view and resolve, we are taken to for the particular product we click the view and resolve under, we are taken to the details of the product, where we are able to see the quantity that are left and then any other relevant details which are there. And then when we have to make changes to the particular product, we have to now modify this particular product. So in order to modify, you can either click on a product image or click on a product name, or we can click on edit under the actions column. So when we click on that, okay, so we are taken to the edit product page for that particular product. Okay, so this is the product we want to make changes to. We already had very low quantity stock for that. Okay, so now we can make the necessary changes that are available. So let's say we have 10 items which have been added. Okay, so we can either increase the quantity that is on here, or anytime it says we can update this anytime we have new stock. So anytime we have new stock, you can just have that, and then the quantity available is also set to 50. Okay, so when we are done with all this, you click on save changes. Okay, so the changes have been successfully made. You click on OK. Okay, so this is how you make you resolve issue of low stock levels on Keepsales. The alerts feature is there to prompt you to the items which are either running out of stock or your items which are almost expiring or have expired. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. We have more of such videos which are available for you. Have a good day and bye bye.